Hey everybody, another unboxing video here for you. I decided to pull the trigger and buy a QuickJack BL-5000SLX. It has a long name, but don't let that scare you. It basically just means it's their model that can lift up to 5,000 pounds. So great for the track, shop or home, easy to transport and operate, which it is, sets up and lifts in seconds. So I've been having real trouble getting a jack that doesn't leak. So I decided to say, screw it. Now that I got the vet and it should be lifted properly, and it actually has like special lifting puck inserts, I decided to get a QuickJack. This should lift every single vehicle in my fleet: vet, STI, Forester, and the Jag. So I'm going to do an unboxing video here, even though everything's all unboxed. I'm going to show you what comes in the box. So the first one we got here, well, there's 3 boxes. This is box 3. This houses the pump. So that's the pump. That's the one that you plug into the wall, and you have a controller. You can see in that photo there. Comes with a bunch of fittings. So there is a little assembly required. Doesn't look like much though. So it looks like it comes with all the appropriate, is this oil? It's thread sealant. Thread sealant, all the fittings. Doesn't look like there's much to do, so that's good. You got all the major hoses. So there's those. I think that's the one that connects to the pump. No, these 2 are the ones that connect to the lifts because they're long, and I'm not sure what this one connects to yet. I haven't gone through the instructions. I wanted to show you guys right away, but it does come with instructions, of course. So there it is. That's the one we have. You can go all the way up to 7,000. So I got the one that's right in the middle, and people say they lift everything with this one, but I won't be going over the recommended weight from the manufacturer. But yeah, so you get 2 long boxes. These are box 1 and 2. You get a left side and a right side. That houses the jacks themselves, and then you got these lifting blocks. So my cars will probably only need 1. We might need 2 on the Jag, and they fit like Lego, so they don't slide. They act as one, right? So that's cool. You get 8 of those, and it's pretty simple setup here. And I'm going to set one up either today or tomorrow, and I'll show you guys how to set it up and under your vehicle and lift it up. So stay tuned. Just following the instructions now. I'm going to be taking this shipping plug out with a number 6 Allen wrench that I have to go get. That's smaller, but these fittings go here, and this is where the hydraulic hoses connect to the hydraulic cylinder. All right, day 2 with the QuickJacks. Everything is assembled now. I had to put these elbows on. As I'm sure you guys are aware, I had to route the hose in a non-pinch area. You had to assemble all of the fittings onto the hoses. That was pretty much most of the time taken with the supplied thread sealant. And I'm just doing this part right here. Bleeding the system. So I filled it with just under 2 liters of ATF, which is what it calls for, ATF or hydraulic fluid. The specifications are in here. But it says to use 2 liters. I used less than 2 liters and it overflowed. So just be aware of that. So I'm going to just check and make sure everything's all good. Follow these instructions. Crack the bleeder screw loose, bleed them, and then hopefully we can start lifting. So here's to hoping. Moment of truth, guys. It says to number 6, use the pennant control, which is this. Move it about 8 inches or so off the ground 3 times just to get the fluid moving. Not sure what's going on here. Oh, there it goes. Wow, look at that. Huh. I think it locks over there. That looks 8 inches. Yeah, it's leaking on this side and that side. It says normal if it takes a while to drop. It's a lot of fluid leaking out. It says 3 times, but that is a lot of fluid. I'm gonna go shorter this time. I'm gonna do one more time. That side's not leaking too bad. This one's leaking like a sieve. So I'm gonna try to tighten that one up. All right, she's bled. Do one at a time. I'm pretty sure the instructions said before this to undo both of them. The wording is weird, and I found that there's some variations to what this says. Like this, it says to use a 5mm Allen head for the bleeder screws. This is not a 5mm. A 5mm wouldn't fit. I had to use this 1/16 or 3/16 rather. Sorry, that fit like a charm. So yeah, some of the instructions are a little confusing, but overall it's good. They work. I'll show you guys with the car on them. Not sure if that's going to be today or not, but either way it'll be the same for you in the video. So I'm going to clean up right now, take everything out, brake clean everything, and yeah, pack everything up or lift a car. I'm not sure yet, but either way you guys will see it. So stay tuned. Now that the Jag is gone, we're gonna play with the QuickJack. So let's go. All right, guys. I just wanted to straighten out the vet, so the ramps were on an equal down slope. The instructions do say to not have anything 6 feet this way, 6 feet that way, and 12 feet out the back. Not entirely sure why besides potentially falling, but I can't see that happening. So I am personally going to take the chance with the STI here. Yeah, so let's get to it. I'm just gonna quickly go through the book, make sure I don't have to do anything crazy. And then I'm gonna place these with the handles that it comes with right here. So these are to attach on the side here, and you can pull it while it's under the car, so it makes it convenient. All right, everyone, let's check the placement of the rubber blocks here. Driver's side is good. I raised up the jack just a bit here. So that one looks good. And that one looks good. So let's raise her up. No time like the present. Let's get on it. Are you ready? So far, so good. Oil came for the vet today, so it's a good time to raise it because my jacks ain't fitting under that thing. All right, let's go check out. Look at that. Man, that is sick. Wow. Look at all the space under there. This is perfect. Totally recommend getting one of these if you don't have access to a lift. So just want to make sure it's locked, right? Which I think it is. I'm going to make sure in the book that it is locked. Might have to slide back more. Nope, maybe not. Let's go check the other side. Nope, that's as big as she goes. Oh. Sorry, dropped my phone. Oh, so it's just a... Oh, I see. So it's notched. So there's no way it can go down until you physically lift the arm up. I see, I see, I see. Okay. Well, there's the QuickJack, everyone. Lifted up my vet. No problemo. I will probably have a jack stand with me, supporting somewhere on the car, obviously, because you do not want to crush yourself, right? Should always be safe than sorry. So there's the QuickJack. Huh. I'm just checking it out with you guys. This is the first time I literally lifted the car, so. It looks like it's lifted a couple feet with those are the larger blocks. So those are adding 3 inches to the 21 or 22 inch lift. So yeah, it would be a couple feet. It's up in the air. Very cool. Very simple design. I ordered some accessories to hang it on the wall over there or over here. Very easy stowaway. Just hook up the fittings, let the thread sealant dry overnight, fill the reservoir up with some ATF, and here you are. Here you have it.